Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. It is Wednesday. Y'all should be watching this on Thursday. Last night the rain come in. Remember I was telling y'all about the rain in the last video. It come a good rain last night. I was sitting in the chair right beside the window, opened up the window, and my little tin roof right there. Man, I could have easily passed out with all the rain hitting that tin roof. But we got a good soaking last night. Let's check our rain gauge and see what it looks like. Now, obviously I got a rain gauge from Tractor Supply, but that's 2 inches right there. So we got about 2¼ inches of rain last night, and this is not done. We've got a couple more days of this rain to come. What we're going to be doing today is I've got to change out my the bedding in the little chicken box, and I was going to show y'all how I do that and what I'm doing. So let's get this going. All right, so like I said, turn my light on overnight, and it's going to be on for a little while today because right now it's about 60 degrees. It feels good though, but it's still a little cool for my chickens, so I'm going to leave the light on, but I'm going to turn it off for just a little bit because I got to get the top off and get my chickens over into this other bin so I can change all the bedding out of this one. I put this over this because I know the ducks could probably jump out, and I don't want my chickens to jump out and fly off, and that wouldn't be a good thing, trying to chase the chicken around. I'm too fat for that. So now we're going to take this outside and dump it. So let's go get that done. So I just dump it right there by the edge of the woods. It ain't gonna cause a problem. It don't smell or anything like that. Question for y'all. Do y'all think that pine shavings is good for like a compost pile? I didn't know because of it being pine shavings, but if I had a compost pile, that'd work good in it. This chicken poop and this pine shavings. So let's put some more pine shavings in the box. So this is the pine shavings that I use, of course, Tractor Supply. Where else? Come on. And I like to put a good layer down. Spread that out. I have a board that I put down to set the water on. That way the water will be level. Alright, let's get this put back up here on the table. Alright, so you see I still got about a half a thing in there, but chicken water can get so nasty. And every morning and every evening I'll change out this water because I'm not going to drink dirty water, so I don't want my animals to drink dirty water. So let me change this out and be right back. Alright, so I got the water in here sitting on that board, and that way it sits level. This is the chick feed that I'm using for the chickens and the ducks. This one's 20% starter growth. I noticed that the last bag I had was 24%. I don't know what much different it is, except for these little grains are a little bit bigger than the last one. I don't know. But they love this stuff. They eat it up. So let me fill up my feeder. What I like to do is I like to get a little bit in my little container here. And I want to pour some in here first and get that leveled out. and then fill this back up again and put it in there. Because if you just fill this little container up and then put it in there, then the whole container just empties out. So, got it filled up. Now your container's not empty. Now I'll put my chickens and ducks back in here. Starting with the ducks first. Look how big that duckie's getting. Then I'll put my lid back on, so no duckies or chickens can get out and nothing can get in. Then hang my light back up. They're just eating it up. They act like they was starving or something. So that's it. That's my little routine for my chickens. I do this every, I was doing it every day, but I do it every other day now, changing out the bedding. Now I just, you know, tomorrow or later on this evening, I'll come in and I'll sprinkle some more pine shavings down on the bottom, just to cover all the poop up and stuff like that. And the next day I'll come and change out the bedding again. So that's just my little routine for the chickens. Want to show y'all that, share that with y'all. Now I'm finna go up there and feed up the little piggy, but I'm not gonna take y'all with me on this journey. So yeah, that's it. I'm wanting to put my chickens, after this rain is gone, I'm gonna go ahead and put my chickens in my little chicken coop. I will hang the light back up there, but I think this is just getting too small for them. They're growing a lot faster than what I thought they would, or this container's not as big as I wanted it. So I'll go ahead and put them in their little chicken coop and put the light out there for them so they can stay warm if it gets too cold. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I want to share that with y'all, and that's all I got for y'all. Until next video, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.